This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering both devices and selecting the correct HDMI input on the Vizio. Once done, plug Apple TV into power and HDMI. Make sure the cable seats firmly. You should also have your Wi-Fi password and Apple ID ready so setup moves fast. If your TV has multiple HDMI ports, note the port label. This avoids switching later. Now turn on the Vizio, choose the matching HDMI input, and wait for the Apple TV welcome screen to appear. You'll see step-by-step prompts. Choose language, region, and connect to Wi-Fi. Make use of the iPhone Quick Setup to transfer your Apple ID and Wi-Fi credentials. It saves time and reduces typing errors. Next, confirm video output. Set resolution, HDR, and refresh rate to match your Vizio's specs for best picture. If prompted, enable location and Siri. Make sure apps update. Wait for the App Store to finish background downloads before testing playback, so performance reflects final configuration. To finish, open Netflix or Apple TV Plus and play a short clip to verify picture and audio sync. If you use an AVR or soundbar, enable HDMI ARC or eARC on the Vizio and set Apple TV audio output to match. Update both devices' software to avoid compatibility bugs. If you lose signal or see no picture, power cycle both units, reseat the HDMI cable, and try a different HDMI port. If audio is missing, toggle audio formats to stereo and then back to Dolby Digital or pass-through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.